The other good thing about quick mask mode is it makes it easier to select things that are in perspective. So let's have a look at this one here. Okay, say I want to select these wheels. Rather than try and draw a selection with a pen tool, which is never going to be accurate, much better way is to use the elliptical marquee tool. I'm going to click on the center of the wheel. So the center of the wheel is probably around about here. And I'm going to hold down Alt, and that allows me to draw from the center out. And I'm going to try and get it as close as I can to that wheel. Now I can hold on spacebar and just move that around as I'm drawing it if I need to. And then release. Okay, and you'll see it's impossible to get it to the right shape because this photograph was taken in perspective. But if I go to quick mask mode and then go to Edit, Transform, Perspective, then I can start to shift that around into perspective. And then once I think I've got the perspective a little bit better, I can go to Transform, Distort, which gives me a little bit more control over the four corners. And you'll see it's much easier now to select that wheel because I'm just taking something that is perfectly circular and just adjusting the perspective of it. So we get really nice curves.